just arrived at Van Pim's. I'm really hoping they can help me. This place is quite cool. They're just going to get the staff now to see if they can help me, so imagine my fingers don't work. So I've just arrived home from Van Pim's and they have sorted me right out, so they just did a straight swap and apparently it's common. I can't believe I did it. Small wheelbase I brought for, and if I had just brought any other one it would have fit. Anyway, so we need to take this off, clean it off, prime it up, prime the window, clean the window, and then get it on. I don't do this kind of thing on my own, so I'm very scared, but needs must. I'm going to have to get my father to help me pick it up and actually put it on, because it's too heavy for me. Definitely want to test fit it to make sure it's the right thing, so let's get it open. We've got to put a bead of goopy stuff onto the window and then lift it up and put it on. So the window is in, Ella isn't happy, but let's give you a closer look. Right, let's spin you around and have a look. So, we've got an opening window, and it's all pretty level. I am extremely proud of myself for doing that. As you can probably see, I was really shaking, but looks like you've done well. Right, so I'm really happy with that. It's not perfect, but we've installed it. It is what it is. Always end up with cool rubbish all over me. But yeah, window 1 installed. Come back next week to see the window 2. Hiya,
hello.
I'm Annabelle.
I'm James.
Welcome back to our channel. We're just as wondering. And today we're fitting
Universal window.
Let's go.
Hopefully. We've got Maltesers.
So first thing you want to do is grab your, blimey that's up, your sealer and stick it in front of the heater because it gets very solid, so it's really hard to pump out, so warm it up. Not too warm though. Get your window out. You need to make yourself a template, which I have hopefully done here, and I'll just talk you through how to do that now. So, when you get your window, this part is the bit that's going to seal to the van. So as long as you've got some of the van here, then that's fine. So mine goes to, my template cuts to here, I think. We will check it, but I think mine comes to here. And then we need to goop all of this and get it in. And it's going there.
So we have used, oh there's a willow. We have used our template that Annabelle made, marked it up here, measured from the top there to that little dark mark and that little dark mark. We are now going to pop that up there and drill through to the other side.
you flipped it, Jim?
Yeah. No. I might need you to go and push this one through.
Okay. So, then, let me get out again. Oops. This is what it will look like. I think that's about right.
Crossing the ladders.
Say that again.
So I think the window needs to come up a little bit to match this line.
Yeah, I agree actually.
So and I'll take that off.
Then you need a Sharpie.
Move that over. Grab a Sharpie.
Bigger than what it is.
So I'm going to go and do a bigger than what this is.
Purely because I think after speaking to the man, he said to leave at least half of the backer and half of the metal. Half window, half metal, he said. Because these are universals, no template. It's just a guess.
So if we...
He's just going to cut a little bit bigger. We can always take more off if needed.
There's your rivets. And if you'd like to pass me the window up, so I can see... that way.
Yeah.
So look right. I don't mean that, I mean you can switch that. I mean
Oh, right.
I mean that actually no, I mean that looks like it will.
Can you tilt the back out a little bit so I can see? Gonna come down a bit on the front, but yeah.
Okay. Right then, grab the jigsaw.
Oh. See, this is the next step where you build bigger holes mapping so the jigsaw will actually fit. Big step.
Pass me a smaller drill to start with, please. Thank you. Small template here.
Small pilot drill and then big. So what we've done is we've actually taped up what James says the area behind because we're cutting outside in.
Just trying to avoid scratches if possible.
Yeah, and he's gonna jigsaw it out now. So we've cut out this bit. Come here. This bit. We need to do a slight bit of readjusting because one of the bits don't fit and then it's good to go.
Yeah.
You file it all smooth. As you can see, there's a giant hole behind me, so next thing we need to do is focus. There we go. Use metal pane to protect the raw edge. Basically the same as Amorites, anything that protects the paint off the raw edge, stop it from rusting. Wax some of this on the edge, and then we need to clean it. And I think we're gonna use this. I'll let you know if we don't. Just electrical cleaner, like glass cleaner. Don't have to do that in a workshop. And then you prime it and get your goopy on. Goopy means glue. That's good. Very close. How do we go? Oh, that's closer. she rusty painted it, you know, rusty painted. And now James is just cleaning the actual frame of the window. Let me show you what to do there. Come with me. So, the important part to clean is all the way around here. Yeah, lovely. And also I should note, when you're priming, make sure you prime the raised parts as well. Because I've seen countless videos when I've been researching where people haven't primed them bits and they get leaks. Because people forget. That is essentially making a hole. Prime it, because then it doesn't adhere to the goopy stuff, the glue. So that's the next stage.
The next stage is
primer. Yeah. These are the coolest things.
It's film shaking.
Make sure you shake it. They're like little trees.
Little tree. Should I do the van first, do you think? Or?
I did the van first and then the window, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. They both have to dry. But they don't dry, they flash off. You see it do it. Whack it on.
Continuous loop if possible.
Just whack it on. You need to put more on that bit, book.
We'll come back.
I just cover all of it, to be honest, because it's just safer.
I'm just doing it in a lap.
I didn't do that earlier. Essentially just whack it all on, completely cover all of them edges. Because this is your best chance you've got of it adhering. This is a scary part. You whack it on here. Are you sure it goes that wide?
Yeah, probably.
Blimey, be a pain. You're going to see that. Don't forget we're going on the upper lip. Blimey. You stress me out. It's a fun paintbrush now, isn't it?
Quite satisfying.
Smooth. So with the manufacturer's instructions, it says to let the primer flash off. And by that it means where you can see. Can you see that? It's like that shine. It almost mattifies itself, which we'll be able to see on here if James hasn't plastered it on. Yeah, you can see there that it's like almost going that matte here, the matte colour. But you like to layer things up, don't you? So that looks scary. Don't do
It says
that.
don't do that. That was just a test.
That's ridiculous.
It was just a test. It says
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. That's so naughty. So now we wait for them to flash off literally a couple of minutes, get the goopy stuff out and ready, which I'll show you what I mean by goopy stuff. Hang on. Ow. Goopy stuff.
Flash
Look
off.
at this. You have to peel it. I never knew there was a thing.
It's like beans.
Mains. So we peel that, reveal the thing, I presume it airtight there.
Open your beans.
Gross. Carry on.
Can you flash off?
And once you've opened that, get it in the gun. Just put it here. Your gun thing, and
You take this thing.
and then you need to stab it with a screwdriver too. Let me get the screwdriver.
What do you mean?
I did. Yeah, Willow farted in James's arms earlier, and it was a proper like loud one. It's kind of hilarious. Yep. Open it however you wish. Open the bottom however you wish, and goopy stuff on.
Open the bean.
Say that again.
I'm looking at the book.
So you want to make a thick bead? You haven't even. Oh, there you go. A thick bead, but not too thick so it ploops out. Just a nice line. Oh yeah, that's like how the pros do it.
Yeah.
I didn't look like that earlier.
That's not a surprise to be honest.
That's really cool. Ha. this compared to ours.
I need to be able to get all the way around.
You can move. Essentially cover the whole area. So, window is in. We are really happy. Let me show you from the front. So it looks quite interesting with the forklift. Really happy with it. So we've got a window on the passenger side, sliding door with an opening, and then the back be up above our heads, I think, for the bedroom, which is exciting. So the process is